Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to demonstrate our Steelmaster industrial snap lock machine. Now this is a two application machine. One end does the pitch profile and the other end does the 90-degree turn up with the snap lock. So this is a 1.5 material thickness machine, and we're just going to run some material through one piece of gel. Works in forward and reverse operation. So first of all, we're just going to do the snap lock machine here. As you can see there, running through. As the turn up, as you see it, as it comes through, there's a 90-degree turn up with the button punch snap lock profile on the ends. Nice and simple, nice and smooth, runs at a good pace, as we can see there. And now we'll just run that through the other side of the machine, and this will do our Pittsburgh profile here. So it runs at a great pace and smooth in operation. Fantastic. And then obviously the finished product is over here as we turn this round. We've basically just tapped that in there with our soft hammer, and we've got our 90-degree snap lock, which is the purpose of this machine. So jump onto assetplant.com or call us direct. We've got a great range of HVAC machinery, snap lock machines, TDF machines, hydraulic folders, CNC plasma cutters, and the rest. So call Asset Plant or jump to assetplant.com, and we'd be pleased to help you. Thanks, and have a great day.